Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Life on the Green, which is located in Bidaraguppe, South Bangalore, a project developed by Saparnika. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external, both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, with the current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before moving further, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. So this is the main entrance of Life on the Green, and once you enter, here's the land parcel, and on the right hand side is the marketing office of the project. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So the project is spread across 8.2 acres of land parcel consisting of total 125 villas. Only 15 villas are available for now. All the villas are 5 BHK villas rising up to 2 floors. And the main USP of the project will be land registration concept. So the land will be registered on your name. Now let's discuss about the location of the project. So the project is located in Bidaraguppe near Attibele Sarjapur Road in South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Bidaraguppe Road, and this road will connect you towards Attibele Sarjapur Road in just few minutes. And now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Harvest International School in 3 minutes. Bomisandra Metro Station is 15 minutes away. Sarjapur Town Hospital is again 15 minutes away. Kaveri Hospital in 25 minutes. RGA Tech Park you can even connect in 25 minutes from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So let me inform you that all the villas in the project will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures like of, here's the main entrance door of 8 feet with thick wood. Here's the balcony door with mosquito mesh. CP sanitary fittings and the tiling as well over here. Now let's talk about the external amenities part, and the project will provide you world-class amenities like of yours the clubhouse, outdoor games like amphitheater, swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, basketball court, football ground, landscape garden and many more amenities. Now about the parking facility, and the project comes up with private car parking facilities. Now let's discuss about the master plan. This is the master plan of Life on the Green. As you can see in the image, this project consists of 125 villas placed in a row with luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 5 BHK villa, 2481 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 5 BHK villa of 2483 square feet super built up area. Now let's talk about the current construction status of the project. So as you can have a look in the background, the construction work almost 90% has been completed. Only the finishing work for the villas is in progress. Now about the possession part. So Saparnika Group is handling this project by December 2026. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of Life on the Green, which is located in Bidaraguppe, South Bangalore, a project developed by Saparnika.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.